Imagine a robot in your home, not just a vacuum, but one with arms and hands. It picks up a t-shirt, folds it perfectly, and stacks it neatly. You ask for a glass of water, it fetches it from the kitchen, no spills. And all this happens while your Wi-Fi is down. The robot doesn't care. It doesn't need the internet. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's a new era robots that think for themselves, right where they are. No more sending data to distant servers for instructions. The robot's brain is inside its own body. In the past, robots were like puppets controlled by the internet. If the connection failed, they stopped, useless. Now these robots are independent. Imagine the possibilities helping the elderly at home, working in secure factories, or exploring Mars. They make decisions in real time, understanding your words and their surroundings. It's a leap forward, like having a conversation in person instead of over a bad phone line. The secret: a powerful new system, a brain built for robots. It learns, adapts, and acts with speed and precision. This robot isn't just following rules. It observes, reasons, and acts. When it folds your shirt, it's figuring out the best way, not just repeating motions. That's what makes it special. We're at the start of a new era. Robots as true partners, working offline. No strings attached, no lag, no privacy worries. Just real, helpful machines in our daily lives. The future of robotics is finally here. So, what's powering this revolution? It's called Gemini Robotics On-Device. Developed by Google DeepMind, it's a complete robot brain that fits inside the robot itself. No internet required, fully autonomous. The robot can see, think, and act on its own. For years, robots needed the cloud to be smart. They'd send video to distant servers, wait for instructions, then act. This caused delays, dangerous and clumsy for robots. Gemini Robotics On-Device changes everything. The brain is now inside the robot thanks to Google's advanced AI models. These models understand images, sounds, and language all at once. Now, all thinking and decision-making happens instantly, on the spot. Robots become faster, safer, and more private. No data leaves your home or factory. Robots can work anywhere, anytime, no connection needed. This is the breakthrough that unlocks truly independent robots. Let's compare the old way to the new. Picture a robot named Cloudy. You ask Cloudy to pour juice. Cloudy's cameras send video to a distant data center. The cloud analyzes, sends back commands. Move arm, grasp carton. But there's a delay. Sometimes the internet is slow or down. Cloudy might pour too much or freeze if Wi-Fi drops. It's helpless without the cloud. Now meet Gem, powered by Gemini On-Device. You ask Gem to pour juice. Her brain is inside her. She sees, understands, and acts instantly. No data leaves your kitchen. She pours smoothly, stops at the right moment. The difference: night and day. Gem is fast, reliable, and private. No video sent online. Your privacy is safe. The old way made robots clumsy and dependent. The new way makes them graceful, independent, and trustworthy. Robots are no longer remote-controlled puppets. They're intelligent, autonomous partners. This is a fundamental shift in robotics. How does this on-device brain work? It's a rapid cycle: seeing, thinking, doing. First, the robot sees with its cameras and sensors. The Gemini model helps it recognize objects and understand situations. It knows a cup is empty or a block is red. Next, it thinks, connecting what it sees to what you ask. You say, "Put the red block on the blue one." It understands and plans the steps. This isn't just following a script. It's dynamic, real-time reasoning. Finally, it acts, translating plans into precise movements. As it moves, it keeps watching and adjusting. If you move the blue block, it instantly adapts. This loop, seeing, thinking, doing, makes the robot intelligent and adaptive. It's powered by a multimodal transformer model, trained on vast data. The robot learns general skills and applies them to new situations. All of this happens offline, inside the robot. That's what makes it so powerful. The real magic of on-device brains is speed. Everything happens in real time, no waiting, no lag. In factories, this means robots can assemble delicate parts without costly mistakes. The robot's brain analyzes and corrects movements in milliseconds. Precision is unmatched, like a skilled artisan, not a clumsy machine. Speed also means safety. If a child's hand reaches for a glass, the robot stops instantly, no delay. That's why robots can finally work safely alongside people. No more cages in factories. Real-time processing turns robots into reliable, safe assistants. They're no longer hazards, they're partners. This isn't a small upgrade, it's a total transformation. The future of safe, precise robotics is here. Gemini Robotics On-Device gives robots new superpowers. First, fast-learning robots can pick up new skills by watching in minutes. No more weeks of coding for every task. Second, robot-specific tuning. The AI adapts to each robot's unique body and sensors. This means better performance and fewer errors. Third, built-in safety motion checks and intent alignment keep actions safe and on track. Emergency stop is always ready. These features are deeply integrated, not add-ons. Finally, skill transfer. When one robot learns, others can instantly share that knowledge. Fleets of robots improve together, accelerating progress. Fast learning, custom tuning, safety, and shared skills, these are the new superpowers. Robots are now more capable than ever. The age of smart, adaptable machines has arrived. Offline robot brains will change our world in real ways. In warehouses, robots will sort packages, load trucks, and adapt to new layouts, making supply chains faster and more resilient. In healthcare, they'll assist nurses, deliver supplies, and protect patient privacy. Robots will free up humans for compassionate care and complex decisions. In manufacturing, robots will work safely alongside people, handling delicate tasks and adapting quickly to new products. Factories become more flexible and competitive. At home, personal robot helpers are closer than ever. They'll handle chores, assist the elderly, and protect privacy. These robots start with simple tasks, but will soon become indispensable. The impact is everywhere. Homes, hospitals, factories, and beyond. Robots will be helpers, not replacements. The dream of a helpful, independent robot is becoming reality. The world is about to change, one robot at a time. We're on the edge of a new robotic age. Gemini Robotics On-Device marks the biggest leap in robotics in a generation. It solves latency, privacy, and dependency. Robots are now true helpers. But challenges remain, making hardware more powerful and energy efficient and building better robot bodies. The ultimate goal, robots with common sense, able to walk into any kitchen and make tea, no special training needed. Researchers are working on it, but it'll take time. Safety and ethics must stay front and center as robots grow more capable. Still, this is a monumental step forward. The foundation for the next generation of robotics is set. The question isn't if we'll have helpful robots, but when. We're moving from controlling robots to collaborating with them. The quiet, helpful robot folding laundry offline is no longer a fantasy. It's a preview of the amazing future just around the corner.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.